the normal.
Hey guys, today we're playing Do Not Press the Buttons. Hey, I died.
I told you, Alice.
And my friend Jasmine is here too. But well today,
already.
yes, I died and I got, I got to spectate Jasmine from there. Do you see her?
I win! Yes!
I'll show. Hey, the button. I want to press
I
it.
want to press it. I want to press it. Clicking, click, click. I press it.
I want to press it.
Oh!
The levels are rising.
Please!
We gotta go.
Video!
Like the video for me to
The
boost
lava's
up.
gonna gone. Like the video, the lava's gone. No! You can't go in. I'm leaving you.
Yes, so go!
No one's win. Hi.
Hey, can I press the button?
No, it's mine.
I want to press it.
I want to press it. Huh?
Where am I?
We need to find a real key.
I found
Alice,
this.
that's my key. I'm trying to use it.
Is this the right key? It opened. Maybe it's the. We should find it's a yellow key. That means, according to my calculations, the yellow key is hiding somewhere super good.
Key?
Well,
Nope.
keep finding every case. I will get this key too. I got the key. Can I take more? I can only take
Hurry
one.
up. We didn't have more times.
Another key. No. I want to press it. Huh?
Oh no, we need to go back.
Oh
The
no,
dog
here goes the
is-
train.
The trains look like the why look like every day I go to school.
I pressed it.
Hey, stop it. Eat.
Wait, it's Doge? Doge?
Hey, so Doge, come here. Doge, come here. Oh my goodness, I thought I got a fall.
Hey, that's a lot of Doge.
Just only one Doge.
I pressed it. Oh, we had to.
Hey, Alice! My video is glitching. Stopping. I'm tapping it.
You got it. Good job.
I press first. I just press.
What? Let's take a photo. I'll take a photo right over here. And I will do this one. Okay, let's see. What is that? This is like me doing this. What
And now I'm looking you.
Hey, where did that Doge come from?
I just press
Okay.
it.
Okay.
Let's play snowballs.
Oh, I have to fight?
No, you can catch me.
You can catch me.
You can
Stop.
catch me. You.
English or Spanish? Jasmine, I said
Okay.
English or Spanish. Whoever moves first is gay. Hey.
Hey!
Hey.
Stopping.
Hey.
You can't stop me. You can't stop me.
English or Spanish?
No.
Nothing?
Yes, cause you just tricked me. I know you tricked me.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, I win. I press it.
Let's see what we got. Ah? And another one?
Okay, I press it.
I just wanted to press it too.
Which one's the real one?
I picked the side.
Oh.
Oops.
It's the wrong one.
I'll pick this one.
No, it's the wrong
You
one.
find it for me, please.
No.
Okay, it's not this one. No, you got that one already. I'll pick the side. Nope. It's not
Okay,
it.
how about this one? No.
Then it's on the top.
Yes! Yeah, baby!
We did it! Okay,
I press it.
then what happened? Oh, trampoline,
It's
not
kind
bad.
of fun.
Not bad though.
It's kind of fun. So I want to press this button. Can it be safe? Hey, I'm safe.
We're standing on the buttons.
Yeah.
Wait, what?
What the?
What the?
What the? Maybe we're on the button. I press it.
No, I pressed it.
I press.
We have to fight? No. We're friends. We gotta oof each other.
Sorry, I didn't mean. I win. Yes.
Because I'm too tall.
I pressed the button again.
Let's see. Oh, another trampoline.
Okay, I guess then with the button.
Hey, can I go in there too?
No.
Hey, I'm with you too. I pressed it.
Oh, I press it.
Okay, then what happened? Wait, you have to defend our statues. You have to get the new.
I'm attacking this guy.
Hurry up!
This guy! No! Don't broke it! Don't broke it! This guy's still alive.
And I'm still alive.
No! You was. Okay, you got it. This guy! Help me! It's too much guys! No, I don't. I'm still alive.
But you have to help me, okay?
Oh my goodness! No!
Come on, get me! Give it to me. I will fight them.
Okay.
Oh no!
That is not good. Stop it. Attacking it. Press it.
I'm not low health anymore.
Like, I found this ball.
Oh hey, don't push
You
it.
got 7 because I got so many done because you got 7.
I got 10.
I got 7.
I got. Now I'm making bigger.
Why? I'm making more bigger.
How much you got?
Hey! Yes, what I need it.
Hey, can I get in? Hey, can I get inside your ball?
I win.
Oh man, I just wanted to get inside your ball.
I win.
Dude, what's going on? What is this?
Oh.
Bye.
Catch me, you can. As English or Spanish?
You don't speak Thai. English or Spanish?
Why are you talking look like saying me?
Let's fight. We're not gonna say that. Excuse. Bye bye. Boing. I'm gonna bonk on you. Bonk.
You can catch
Bonk.
me, you can.
You just keep dodging.
You can catch me.
Okay. I'm sorry, that was my bad.
Mom, I can't do it.
I'm small.
Oh, why are you so big?
Oh my gosh, it looks so cute. I'm a little bacon with no friends. I don't know what works in it.
It's kind
No
of fun.
headlights. If you want some Robux, hit the like button and subscribe. You love bacon. This is kind of fun though.
I'm just doing nothing.
Oh,
Nothing can stop me.
I pressed it.
Nothing can stop me.
Oh no. Ooh. No! I died too.
Me too.
Because I'm fat. Because I'm fat.
I press it. Oh, that's kind of fun.
We have to put it on the tree.
Yes. 7 years old. And I wish you a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. It's time. Don't draw on me. I got so many down because you got a little bit. I got so many down. Alice, I got so many down because you got a little bit. You just a loser. Yes!
I just wanted to win too.
Because you didn't press too much. I pressed it.
What happened?
The lava is freezing. No.
Oh my gosh, it's kind of burning and it's like
It
it's.
looks like an
Ah!
No.
You got this.
I can do it. My brain is weird.
Hey, I see you. Why is your brain weird? You got the burning
You're
in the.
in the top.
Hey, I see you down there.
Hey, I'm jumping.
Hey, oh!
I press it.
Okay.
I press it.
Again. How about this time we're gonna protect it? Oh no.
This guy. Nothing can stop me.
No one's gonna.
This guy. The big guy. No thanks. No thanks. Someone help me.
I'm trying to help.
This guy. No, this
Is
guy's
he,
still
dude?
alive. No, this guy. No, this guy.
You help me. Go
I'm
this.
trying to help you.
But you're trying to make.
No, you.
There's so much. Give them to me. Give them to me.
This guy. No, stop it. Stop it, be a loser. I need to fight them. No. This guy. I'm so many low health.
Hurry up. Pat it on me. Put it on me. Oh no, it's getting more damage. Help. I'm like, help me. But I'm low health.
Me too.
Oh my gosh, we have to push people.
So I need to push you.
No one will. Hey, let me push you. Oh, you missed.
You low health. You miss.
One more.
Haha, you're just a loser. I win!
We both win. Oh, I'm kissing the button. Wow. Hey. What?
I can't go!
Try? Okay, where am I? What is this maze? What the? Where's our maze going?
Why low health?
Oh, did you reset character? Oh, hi, I see you.
Hi.
Life would be dreams. Life would be dreams. How long is this maze, dude?
Maybe this way?
Maybe
Sure it's gonna be this way. Nope, it's a dead end.
it's a dead end.
How about this one? Ooh, what's the going?
Where are you at?
I don't know. I'm just going this way.
I'm going this way.
I'm going this way.
I'm not going in the dead end. What is this maze for?
I just punched this guy.
Hey, let me push the button too.
No.
I pushed it already.
No, I pressed it. Football. Yes, I did.
This is my score.
Maybe I just help you. Sorry, I help you. Oh.
We need to find the bush.
I found something. I found the button. Yes.
I'm going in there right now.
I found the button already. Yes. Once I need it. Because you need to
Okay,
punch out.
There's a lever. I got the chest. Wait, teamwork. What? This is hey. Oh hey. We both got the chest.
Okay, I need to press it. I press it.
I just wanted to press it.
You need to punch out. The fall.
Here, I'll follow you.
No. Go.
I made a heart.
I got messed up your heart. Ah!
We both died.
Yes.
Wow, that was kind of fun. I love you. I made a heart sign, so
Oh, I press it. I press it.
I just wanted to press it.
Huh? Press it.
This, I did it too.
It's just that way. I pressed it. What's that?
We have to fight with laser guns? Oh yeah, this is war. Pew!
No, don't hurt me.
This is kind of looks like a gun from the game.
Can I hurt you?
No, don't hurt me, please.
Let me see.
Don't hurt me!
Let me see.
Don't hurt me! Let me.
Oh, I can't hurt you. Stop first. Oh,
Oh, why?
sorry.
Oh, why are we kissing the button? I'm kissing it.
No.
Ding!
We need to. It's for lava.
No, the world's about to come in with us. If we don't stop, we're dead. If we stop, we're dead.
No, it's gonna be the sun.
Hey, I made it.
Me too. So I'm gonna go out. No way!
We made it.
Yeah.
I'm going back.
I press it.
No, nothing happens yet. Why am I bouncing? Wait, are you in the void? I'm safe. You guys, I got flag. Are you flinged?
Yes.
Are you fling on the map? But I didn't. Whoa, ouch. But I'm safe. I'm in the safe.
I can. It's gone. Yeah, baby. No, it's my button. I press it.
Let's see.
Oh. We need to tap the Christmas cheese. I get it. How'd you get all of them? I get all of them. Maybe I'm good. I got all of them. I know you got a little bit.
I'm trying to
You
spend.
just a loser. You just a loser.
How much? You got 16.
Okay, I gave more. Hey, what put a like?
I got 7.
Yeah.
Nice winner.
Where's your leg? Oh.
We have to watch out for the meteorites. Oh no! And the two. We died
I
together.
want to hide in spots. I'm hiding in a spot.
Oh, I'm perfect. Then I'll hide here too. Can I hide in your hiding spot?
No, that's
Please.
my secret. Yeah. Fine, I'm going this secret. I'm going this high spot.
Hey, I still see you.
Okay, nothing.
Oh.
I press it.
Whoa. We gotta.
Oh, I hurt my hand.
I broke my.
I got it.
What is this?
I won.
Good job. Where am I? Oh, Jasmine, where are you?
You can't get me because I'm right here.
Don't you know where am I? I'm at this building.
You can catch me. You can catch me.
I'm coming for you.
No.
I want brains. I want brains. I want brains.
I am sorry.
Okay.
No, I don't like you.
You're-
I don't like you.
Huh? Watch out for the lasers.
I got it. No way.
Ooh, we're safe.
Yes, I want to press the button. I press it.
What happened?
No,
Don't move. I told you not to move. Where do we jump? It's like, it's like English or Spanish. I pressed it. Ding.
Daddy.
Oh, you're so cute.
I can jump high.
You're so cute.
Okay, I press the button.
Okay, nothing happened.
I press it. Yay.
Okay, we have to beat this Ollie first,
I
and
died. No way.
I'm pro. Come on, platform.
Well, what about me?
Wait, what about teamwork makes the dream work?
Please, why you didn't be friends together?
You gotta
No!
come here. I'm waiting. Whoa! It's trying to oof me. Hurry up.
Jump! No!
Oh no!
Like the video.
I'll jump right here so you can
Yeah,
see.
I see you.
Jump! You got this.
Okay, I'm scared. Yeah, I got number 2.
Hurry up. Let's go. Watch out for the lasers.
Got it. He's stopping. Why are you going together? I got number.
We don't need to go back. It's Jasmine, don't go. 3. I told you not to go. We both win.
I win.
You got 3 points, and I didn't win. What? Because I'm a zombie.
No.
I picked no too.
Yes, because it's a hiding. It's a. What we got?
We need to find duckies. Like, oh, we have to capture duckies. You have to capture duckies. I got a ducky in my bag. Well, it's just nothing.
I got 2. I got 3.
I got 2. Oh man, I missed. I got 2. You win.
Yeah, I got number 3.
Nice.
I press it. Why jumping?
Wait, where did that new come from? It's the new from the friends.
It said,
Come to my place.
come to my place.
Where are we?
No. No.
I'm safe.
Hold this block. No. I need to go back. Yes.
That's the kid looks like well. Don't do. Get down, all the way.
It looks like dee.
down. 나스 kill. 치유. down. wanna She. Dong da. We win! And what about the noob guy? I guess he left. He left the game. Wait, lasers? Whoa! No! I died too.
Me too.
In today's video, we should say goodbye to friends. Goodbye!
Goodbye.